He's the chairman and mastermind group of a company called EKC. It's more than 1,500 employees around the region. And they are a very strategic partner of Siemens to develop and localize manufacturing of switchgear around the world. And so they are basically tied with Siemens to promote and localize this concept around the world. And in ATA, we did the same things in the past. Now we have done the same concept in ASEAN market, and we continue to discover more countries. We have two speakers today. We have two of our very valuable guests. Mr. Sung from Sunlight, I would like to applaud for them. And also Mr. Thomas Alexander.
I have the power. You have the power, all right? You have the power as the end user. You have the power as the consultant, the contractors. Of course, all of us have certain power to dictate where we want to go. I borrow this Hollywood famous quote from our friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. With great power comes with great responsibility. Yes, as a power manufacturer, I have a lot of power because I distribute power and you are the one who receive it. Of course, you as a contractor and consultant, you have the power to specify what you want. You have the power to specify who you want to use. This is your power. But of course, the responsibility part has to come in by the standards that we are supposed to work within. And of course, we must make sure that the equipment that we specify will last 10 years, 20 years, and 30 years. And this is all our responsibilities.
So we'd like to assure all of you that IAE remains strong in its commitment to develop and implement better programs that focus on raising standards of competency, to cultivate a culture of excellence among the practitioners in the power industry in the field of electrical engineering. And so centering on marriage, parenting, family life, yung mga spouses po natin, pwede po pagtulong-tulungan ng IAE chapter sa localities nila to be supervised by the marriage encounter community. And the last but not least is the Rewards and Recognition Program. It's a chapter. So this is to motivate membership to continuously improve performances by recognizing their efforts and reward them for their prominence. So aside from the outstanding chapters or outstanding presidents, we are planning to have the chapter President's Night this coming annual national convention. So yung mga chapter po, presidents ay invited. Magsalo-salo po tayo. So the state of Qatar, one of the most outstanding chapter to. So in terms of commitment and dedication, dyan sila very active yung membership. Means officers at saka yung persons. And very supportive naman yung national office pagdating sa mga chapter. That's why we also plan programs to. Like for example, yung Kalingan sa IAE or Kaka in short. This is a marriage encounter supervised ladies club intended for the spouses of OFW. So target mo natin dito yung mga naiiwanan natin sa Pilipinas, yung mga asawa, para may libangan naman sila, but this time focusing on being responsible parents. So we'll be talking with marriage, parenting, and family life. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung mga programs natin for their professional development. Kaya importante natin yung conventions, seminars, holding on technical forum para ma-enhance nila knowledge and skills. Para equip sila for the international